Hello friends. So in this video I'll be talking about the e-commerce app that I told you about in the previous video. So basically this is an app where for socio-economic purpose, and yeah, let's get started. So this is the I'll just walk you through the code of this app. It is not completely finished, but we'll do it as we go. Okay, so this is the main activity of the app, and what I've done here is change this constraint layout. By default it comes to constraint layout. Change this constraint layout to relative layout, and then added a background picture. This picture you can see. So you can uh, where is this picture? You can just go to app and then resources and this drawable folder. Here are all the pictures and symbols that I'll be using in this app. Okay, you can just paste it here by right clicking it, or you can right click it and just show it in Explorer, and then there you can paste all the apps here. Okay, so then I've taken an image view for the logo of the app. As you can see, this logo, it's an image view, and then I have added the ID. You can customize the width and height according to yourself, and then you can align it according to your needs. And I've done the aligning here. These both are for aligning, and then this is the actual picture. It's in that drawable folder I showed you earlier. Then I've just written the motto or slogan or anything you can say. So this is the ID, then all the parameters for aligning it properly with the in the app. Okay, then I've written the text here. So by default it's the normal text that comes, so you can just add a text. You can add a text and then change the font style of it. You just have to write this command, the font family. Okay, KS font. So where is this font? You can just download any font from Google. You can write it basically, and then you can paste it in here. Make a folder here. By right clicking on this, you can make a folder here, and then make a folder called font, and then paste it here. The extension for this file is ttf. Okay, you can just Google it, and any font you like, you can paste it here and use it in your app wherever you need. Okay, so then I have a button here which is for login. So it says already have an account, so you should log in, and then all that things to align it properly in that. And I have added this color. How can you add this color? And as you can see, it's a little bit, I'll just show you, it's curve at the sides. Okay, so by default it doesn't come curve. You can add properties to it. So I have made a file because I will be using this uh, very often, the curving and the coloring type. So what you can do is here you can see I have selected a background. So this background basically colors this uh, button, and then also it provides the curvature at the side. So where is this file? I'll just show you. This file is in drawable right here. You can see button. You can just right click here and create an XML file, and then just write this code. So you can see this curves, and this is the background, so you can use this. Okay, so this color dot primary color, we have to write it in the values, and we have here styles and colors. So you can have color, you can just set 3 or 4 colors that you you are using going to using this app, so it's like maintain a standard, the color will be same everywhere. Okay, then I have another button which is for joining or sign up. Okay, so I have used a different background here, which is input design. I'll show you that file also. This is the input design. So as you can see, this is transparent color and it's just border color and then curved. Okay, so this is the code for that. And yeah, so that's it for the main activity. So what I've done with the buttons is I have just created this, and this is the main Java file or the class file you can say. So what all you're going to need is you have to declare this join now button and the login button, and then you have to take a progress bar also for showing the user that your data is processing and all this. It comes like a dialog box when you click at any button and like shows you like it is processing and all. I'll show you it in a minute. Then you have to initialize these buttons. Okay, so what this login button actually does is in this login button, uh, intent equal to new, it just when you click at this button, it from the main activity it sends you to the login activity. Okay, and then this is the object for it, and then start activity. When you click it, then it will start activity intent. Okay, same with this, it just sends the user from main activity to register activity. Okay, then these are the things in the progress bar you can say. So it's basically for I'll talk about this prevalent thing afterwards when I'm going to tell you about the remember me functionality. So in the login activity, okay. So if user phone key empty and user password, so it's just going to come in the login activity. You don't have to worry about it now. So like that's pretty much it, because this all is for that remember me functionality, and it basically shows if the login was successful or incorrect password or anything like that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.